There he is.
Go, 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 go. Big fish, go, go. Big fish.
All right, still got him.
Yes, big fish.
Woohoo!
Oh,
That's a good one.
Good.
Put the video on there. Put the video on there, Danny. Oh!
Bingo.
He's a jumper.
Jumping on.
That's a good size.
Yeah.
Não pescaram de tarde. Porque para lá não. Muito pobre para o peixe. Yes! Good.
Otra vez. Come on.
Outra vez?
Get him. Yeah, he's good.
Oh, a hook.
He's a big one.
All right.
All right, come on. Let's get him in here. Well,
Big foot on it. Come on, big cat. Look at the camera.
yeah. No, I'll never forget.
Broke. Hook. Yeah, hook.
Oh, the hook broke.
Wow.
Pulled it out. Pulled the whole screw out.
I see that. Let me.
Let's get him on the boat.
The hook broke. One of the hooks broke.
The screw came out of the wood. Yeah. I'm gonna stop flipping on my thing. How big? 10?
21.
Nope.
15, 16.
Yes. Yeah, 15.
15, all right.
Can you pan out on this?
Yeah, the bottom arrow zooms out and the top arrow zooms in.
Oh, there you go.
Moment.
The hook went inside?
I'm trying to get the hook out of the...
Look at those collars. Nice fish.
Yes, a moment.
Beauty. The heck of a peacock. Look at the tail and the dots and the orange.
Let me see.
The belly, bright orange belly. The gills are awesome.
Yes.
Show us a fish.
Yes, okay. Yeah. Sí. Okay.
All right.
G.
And a high five. All right, here goes the fish.
Brother.
Yes, brother?
Yes.
Let's go get brother.
Yeah.
All right.